So the things I like best about shimmer chain, one, the colors all really work nicely together because they've got that shimmer within them that really brings it together. If you want it to be subtle, you can just do it with a few strands, maybe 1 or 2 strands. If you want it to be more substantial, you can use several strands together. The size of your jump ring is pretty much the only determining factor. There's a lot that you can do with this material. It's inexpensive and it really looks fantastic.